Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Manjula Dil Se. As you know, we live in Goa and love to explore unique places in India by road. Continuing with our journey, this time we decided to explore northern Karnataka and its historical places. We explored Badami, Pattadakal, and from there we proceeded to Aihole. Aihole is 35 kilometers from Badami and about 9.7 kilometers from Pattadakal, both of which are major centers of historically important Chalukya monuments. Aihole, along with nearby Badami or Vatapi, emerged by the 6th century as the cradle of experimentation with temple architecture, stone artwork, and construction techniques. This resulted in 16 types of freestanding temples and 4 types of rock-cut shrines. The experimentation in architecture and arts that began in Aihole yielded the group of monuments at Pattadakal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Aihole was an early medieval era meeting place and a cradle for experimentation of Hindu arts, particularly temple architecture. The regional artisans and architects of Aihole region created prototypes of 16 types of freestanding temples and 4 types of rock-cut shrines to express in stone the theology of Hinduism. During our Aihole visit, we noticed a unique rock-cut temple called Ravnaphadi. This temple is one of the oldest rock-cut cave temples in Aihole, located less than a kilometer uphill, northeast from the Durga temple complex. The temple dates to the 6th century. The entrance has an eroded fluted column and seated Nandi facing the temple sanctum, with several other small monuments. Inside the cave are 3 near square mandapas, the innermost featuring the Shiva Linga and connected to the entrance mandapa by a rectangular space. The entrance of the Ravnaphadi cave has a Nidhi and seated guardian on each side. Then, on left, is an image of Ardhanarishvara portraying the equivalence and essential interdependence of the masculine left Shiva and feminine right Parvati. Past this fused image is the first mandapa, to the left of which is a niche carved space. In it is 6th century artwork showing dancing Shiva, Nataraj, with Parvati, Saptamatrikas or 7 mothers of Shaktism tradition, Ganesha and Kartikeya. On the right side of the main mandapa is Harihar portraying a fused image of Shaivism and Vaishnavism, with left Shiva and right Vishnu. On the opposite wall of Harihar is Shiva with 3 primary river goddesses of Hindu theology, and he stands with Parvati and the skeletal ascetic Bringi. The main mandapa connects to 2 other near square mandapas. To its north is the sanctum, flanked by Shiva guardians at its entrance, then Vaishnav Varha or Vishnu's boar avatar rescuing goddess Earth on its left. To the right is a carved image of Shakti Durga as Mahishasuramadin spearing the buffalo demon. To the east of the main mandapa is an empty monastery-like chamber. The ceiling of the cave has reliefs. One, for example, shows Vishnu with Lakshmi flying on winged Garuda. Another shows the Vedic god Indra with Indrani on an elephant. According to James Hurley, the Ravnaphadi cave is stylistically unique in the Aihole region, and the closest artwork and style is found in the Rameshwara cave of Ellora in North Maharashtra. According to Pia Brancaccio, the Ravnaphadi cave bridges the style and design of the rock-cut tradition of the Deccan with that of Tamil Nadu. The monuments at Aihole Badami Pattadakal show the existence and a history of interaction between the early northern style and early southern style of Hindu arts. The history of temple arts in North India is unclear as the region was repeatedly sacked by invaders from Central Asia, particularly the Muslim incursion into the subcontinent from 11th century onwards, which greatly reduced the quantity of surviving examples. The temples at Aihole Badami Pattadakal region are amongst the earliest surviving evidence of these early religious arts and ideas. The Hindu temples at Aihole reflect a meeting and fragmentation of styles, one that became a creative cradle for new experiments in construction and architecture, yielding their local variants. These ideas ultimately influenced and became a part of both the northern and southern styles of Hindu arts. They are also a possible mirror to early wood-based temples whose natural decay led to innovations with stone, where the early stone temples preserved the heritage, the form and the function of their timber ancestors. The early temples at Aihole may also be a window into the more ancient Indian society, where temples were built around and integrated into the village meeting hall as the mandapa. So friends, today you visited one of the unique historical place in Aihole which have a special place in evolution of temple architecture in India. Do visit this place whenever you are in Aihole. Also watch my earlier videos of Badami rock cut temples, Pattadakal and Aihole to see the beauty and know the historical importance of such wonderful places. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to see more travel and knowledge related videos. See you in the next video with new places and information. Till then, thank you and goodbye. And lots of love from Manjula Dil Se.